How to view birthdays on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to view birthdays on Snapchat. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. So if not, you just simply open your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and then make sure to click on the update button whenever it is available. Assuming now that you have updated your Snapchat app, you may now open it. Right here, what you're going to do is to go to the chat section by swiping right on your screen or by clicking on this chat button right here. So by swiping right, I mean you do it like this one. And then go to a particular chat or a specific chat. So you may choose any chat. For example, I will choose this one. So once you have chosen a specific chat, you may now then click the rocket button right here. So click on it and then scroll down and look for the birthdays right here. So you click on play on the rightmost part of birthdays and then you should wait for it to load. And then once it is done loading, you may be able to see a lot of different sections right here. So you may see the birthdays and then the zodiac signs right here. Under birthdays, you may see upcoming birthdays, recent birthdays, and more birthdays right here. You may also click on view all friends and then wait for it to load, and you may be able to see the month and the date of birth of your friend right here. So that's it. That's how you can view birthdays on set.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.